Did you know that emotions are the main reason people buy? Today, we'll show you how you can use this to your advantage. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into emotional triggers in marketing, how to elicit customer reactions. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to harness the power of emotions to boost your marketing efforts and drive sales. Stay with us as we explore what emotional triggers are, the types of emotional triggers, and how you can implement them in your marketing strategy. We're going to dissect real-world examples, share case studies, and provide actionable tips. Let's dive in. Definition of emotional. So what exactly are emotional triggers? Emotional triggers are psychological cues that evoke an emotional response in the audience, influencing their behavior and decision-making process. They occur almost instantaneously and can bypass our rational thinking. Have you ever watched a commercial and felt an immediate urge to buy a product or felt a strong emotional reaction? That's an emotional trigger at work. Types of emotional triggers. Let's explore the different types of emotional triggers you can use in your marketing. We'll break it down into positive and negative emotions. Positive emotions. Joy and happiness. Joy and happiness create a positive association with your brand. When people feel good, they are more likely to make a purchase. Take Coca-Cola's Open Happiness campaign, for instance. It wasn't just about selling a drink, it was about selling an experience. By associating their brand with happy, joyful moments, Coca-Cola created a strong emotional connection with their customers. Real-life example, Unbox Therapy is a YouTube channel that unboxes new tech products. The host, Louis Hilsentegger, uses his excitement and happiness to build anticipation and joy around new gadgets, which in turn encourages viewers to purchase. Inspiration. Inspirational stories can motivate customers to take action. Nike's Just Do It campaigns often feature athletes who have overcome great odds. This strategy not only inspires hope and determination, but also positions Nike as a brand that supports and empowers individual journeys. Real-life example. Remember when Nike featured Colin Kaepernick in their ad? The inspirational and controversial message inspired millions and made a strong statement about their values and beliefs. It made people feel that by purchasing Nike products, they were supporting a greater cause. Sense of belonging. Creating a sense of belonging appeals to our innate need for connection and can turn casual customers into loyal brand advocates. Harley-Davidson, for example, has built a community around their brand. It's not just about the motorcycles. It's about the lifestyle and the sense of belonging that comes with being part of the Harley Brotherhood. Real-life example, Apple has effectively built a community of loyal followers who are dedicated to its products. The Apple versus PC ads created a sense of belonging for Apple users, making them feel like part of an exclusive club. Negative emotions. Fear and anxiety. Fear and anxiety can drive urgent actions. Anti-smoking ads, for instance, often depict the severe health consequences of smoking to instill fear and prompt viewers to quit. These ads tap into the emotions of fear and anxiety about the future, health, and well-being. Real-life example. Consider the fear of missing out, FOMO, tactic, often used during flash sales. Limited time offers and ticking countdowns create a sense of urgency and anxiety about potentially missing a good deal. Anger. Anger or frustration can be a channel for change. Think about Nike's campaign with Colin Kaepernick that sparked widespread discussions. By tapping into societal frustrations, brands can motivate consumers to support their cause and make a difference. Real-life example. Adidas ran a campaign that addressed the frustration of athletes who failed. Their I'm Possible ads featured athletes who turned their anger and frustration into determination and hard work. Sadness. Sadness can evoke empathy and support for a cause. Many charity ads use this emotion to drive donations. When people see heart-touching stories, they are moved to contribute and make a difference. Real-life example. Consider the ads by the World Wildlife Fund. They often use visuals of endangered animals and the destruction of habitats to evoke sadness, prompting people to donate and help protect wildlife. How to implement emotional triggers. So how can you implement these emotional triggers in your marketing strategy? Here are a few effective techniques. Storytelling. First and foremost is storytelling. Stories resonate with people on an emotional level. Make sure your brand has a compelling story that highlights emotional triggers. Tell stories that your audience can relate to and see themselves in. Use characters, conflicts, and resolutions to add depth to your narratives. Real-life example. Dove's Real Beauty campaign tells the story of real women, emphasizing that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. This relatable and authentic storytelling evokes positive emotions and builds a strong emotional connection with their audience. Visual content. Visuals are crucial. Images and videos have a strong impact on emotions, so use them wisely. The right visuals can amplify the emotional aspect of your message. They should be relevant, high quality, and evocative. Think about colors, composition, and imagery. Real-life example. Airden uses stunning visuals in their marketing to evoke a sense of adventure, belonging, in a home away from home. Their videos often showcase beautiful destinations and happy travelers, which inspires viewers to book their next trip. Language and tone. The language and tone you use can set the emotional stage. Choose your words carefully to evoke the desired emotions, whether it's the warmth and comfort of a friendly tone, or the urgency and action-driven language in a call to action. Your choice of words matters. Real-life example. Old Spice's humorous and unconventional tone in their ads set them apart and made their brand memorable. Their catchy phrases and witty dialogues create a lasting impression and evoke joy and laughter. Examples and case studies. Always learn from real examples and case studies. Look at successful campaigns to understand how they employ emotional triggers effectively. Analyzing these cases can provide insights into what works and what doesn't. Real-life example. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge went viral because it combined a good cause with fun and engaging content. It tapped into the emotion of joy while raising awareness and funds for ALS. Studying such viral successes can help you craft your strategy. Let's quickly recap. Emotional triggers are psychological cues that influence customer reactions. They can be positive or negative and are crucial for successful marketing. Use storytelling, visual content, and the right language to implement them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content on marketing strategies. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts. As a bonus tip, always test different emotional triggers with your audience to see which ones work best. Track your campaigns and gather data on your audience's emotional responses. Be flexible and ready to adapt your strategies based on the feedback you receive. Next up, we'll delve into the psychology of motivation, how to motivate a team for maximum performance. Stay tuned.